Vegan recipes. 5 new to you food guide cheese. Dairy-free cheeses are often made from nuts, soy, or tapioca. Nutritional yeast, see below, also adds a cheesy flavor to foods. Brands, Gia, Parma, Tease, Da Fatti, Treeline. Vegan gourmet condiments, including butter, mayo, and sour cream, are available in veg-friendly forms. Brands, Earth Balance, Just Mayo, Mayonnaise, Da Fatti, Vegan Gourmet, Veganese milk, yogurt, and ice cream. Dairy-free products are made from almonds, coconut, flax, hemp, oats, rice, and soy. All are free of cholesterol. Tempt, Da Fatti, whole soy nutritional yeast. This flaky, inactive yeast has a cheesy flavor. Try substituting for Parmesan on top of pasta or pizza, or in any other food to which you'd like to add a cheesy taste. Fortified versions are packed with B vitamins, including vitamin B12, and other essential minerals. Made from wheat gluten, Ceadin is packed with protein and offers a meaty texture when cooked.